Hello, y'all, and welcome back to another segment of Jules and Jerseys journal by Jules and Jerseys. I think we just came up with that one. So
should we do it?
Don't we like Haley's headband?
We're copywriting it.
Everybody?
Jules and Jerseys journal. Beautiful.
But beautiful. Back to the question. Don't we all like Haley's headband, everybody? Everyone clap if you like it. If you don't, turn off your screen. Oh,
I actually Instagrammed this headband at Christmas time, and a lot of y'all liked it. So
I like it. I like it. With me, I might have a new workout pant from Lululemon, and that's about it, guys. So anyway, today we are going to talk about
workout.
Yes, workout pants. Our resistance band workouts, and that's what we're going to be using today.
Well, first we want to say why we love watching TV for the most part.
Yeah.
If it's football season, I mean,
yes,
we're not doing anything during commercials.
This is true. This is true.
Except for stressing out.
Yes.
But
and smack talking.
That's right. But this is a little different. Right now it's like The Bachelor, The Bachelorette, The Voice, all sorts of shows.
The Office, Parks and Recreation.
Everything is on.
And you know every TV show has tons of commercials.
And we know you all DVR them. So here is a challenge for everyone that DVRs. We thought, what better way to watch TV than during the commercial breaks? Do a little exercising.
Workout. Yes. And we're actually going to go through 2 workouts. One is just going to be with the resistance band, and Haley is going to show y'all. And it's a good thing because you see how she looks cute. So she's showing you that you can do this in just normal clothes without the knot in the middle of the resistance band. But do it in normal clothes. You don't have to be in your gym clothes. You know,
one of your PJs.
Yeah, one of the exercises you might want to. The one we're going to show you because you're kind of jumping. But the resistance band, don't worry about it. So these are good things to do while you are watching TV, and it goes to commercial break. All right, guys. So hang in there, and if you don't have a resistance band, I want you to go out and get one. First thing we're going to show you is just actually using your body. So guess what? You already have one of those.
And so all you need is your body, a TV break, or just because you want to do it.
Yes.
And a resistance band.
Willpower.
So I'm going to do it first, and then she's going to show you a whole new workout to do during a TV break as well.
Yes.
So let's get started.
So for our first exercise, we are going to do curls with the resistance band. Haley is stepping in the middle of the band, and she's going to lift her arms all the way up, all the way down. She's going to keep those arms by her side as much as possible, and she's going to do curls for the entire one commercial, right? The entire commercial. All right, for our next exercise, actually about 3 of them, you're going to find something sturdy in your place, you know, either a chair, table, whatever you can wrap that band around on. And our first exercise we're going to do are rows. And just like you're sitting back in a chair, Haley's going to act like she's sitting in a chair and row those arms back and squeeze that upper back, really hitting her upper back there. There you go. And you're going to do that once again for an entire commercial. There you go. All right, up next, our third exercise are going to be tricep kickbacks. Once again with the band, Haley's going to bend over, and she is going to kick back those arms, working her triceps. Once again, guys, say it with me for the entire commercial. There you go, Haley. And remember, once again, y'all, she is in her normal clothes. Our last exercise, y'all, it is the chest press, again with the resistance band. See how Haley is leaning forward on one leg, and she's just going to pull forward, working her chest muscles. And this is the 4th exercise through the entire commercial. All right, y'all, so I'm going to show you another quick circuit workout you can do during the commercial break. And this is going to be one that really gets your heart rate up, all right? It's going to be budget plyometrics, jumping up and down. It's going to be 4 total exercises, and you're going to do 10 reps, all right? Back to back. You don't want to stop. I'm not going to show you all 10 in a row, but I'm going to go through each exercise so you know exactly what to do. The first one is plie kicks, all right? Just like a plie squat. Feet rounded out, facing outwards. You're going to squat down and then up. Right when those feet touch, you jump. And you want to do 10 of these. All right? Once you're done with those plie kicks, you're going to go into lunge jumps. One leg in front of the other. And in the air, you're going to switch. All right? So I'm going to start with the right leg out and then switch. And you're doing 10. 10 on each leg, okay? All right? Once you're done with those, you're going to have jump squat. which is just kind of similar to those plie kicks, but you're not going to have your legs out. Shoulder width apart. Keep your hands behind your head and jump, just like that. 10 squats. Once you're done with those, drop to the floor and you have 10 mountain climbers. I'm going to do a little sideways so you can see what I'm doing. What I like to do best are the alternating mountain climbers when your left leg goes to your right elbow. All right, and you want these to be quick, so 10 on each side, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and repeat. And voila, you are done. And do that for each commercial break, all right? And really get your heart rate going. As you can see, I'm a little out of breath.
A little sweaty still. See, y'all, it's a good workout. My arms are feeling it, you know.
My legs are feeling it.
A little bit.
That's great. So you see, guys, you don't have to be a little couch junkie watching TV.
Yeah, no couch potatoes here.
Yes, eating your food. You want to be a fitness junkie so you can watch your TV and work out at the same time, and there you go. Perfect. You got a win-win situation.
Speaking of television, our video tomorrow is going to be all based on the South Carolina Gamecocks taking on
the LSU Tigers.
Baseball, people. Baseball.
Go Tigers.
No, here we go. Bet again. It's like deja vu. Like South Carolina LSU football. Here we are. Baseball, not basketball season.
I know, season. But we know how that last matchup ended.
Anyways,
with LSU.
So Friday, tomorrow, we are talking about South Carolina LSU baseball. I will see y'all then.